Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the Kitchen Island Cart, a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. This mobile cart offers extra storage space, countertop workspace, and can even be used as a portable serving station. With a variety of styles and materials to choose from, you can find the perfect Kitchen Island cart to match your decor and fit your needs. Whether you're looking to add functionality to a small kitchen or create a statement piece in a larger space, a Kitchen Island cart is the perfect solution. Thanks for watching.